As a digital marketer posting on social media, you need to know best practices for writing and designing new content, whether you're the one developing it yourself or you're overseeing someone else's work. However, it can be time-consuming to continually have to develop fresh content for all of your social media platforms. For this reason, it's useful to repurpose content on social media. Repurposing allows you to take your best content and make it do more work for you. Repurposing content is a process of recreating and republishing content in different formats. For example, you could take the content from one webinar and turn it into a video, an ebook, a blog post, a podcast, and a checklist. Besides saving you time, repurposing content on social media has other benefits. It can reinforce your brand's message, give your content an SEO boost, and reach audiences who missed the post the first time you published it. Repurposing content also allows you to create something completely new and original from your existing images, videos, and text. When considering what content to repurpose, prioritize content that has performed well and can help you meet the goals defined in your strategy, like driving more traffic to your website, generating more leads, or raising brand awareness. Another thing to consider is whether the content is evergreen, meaning that it will be relevant over a long period of time or time-constrained. For example, event-specific content would not be ideal to repurpose. Once you've selected high-performing evergreen content to repurpose, you can go about determining how to repurpose it. There are endless approaches to repurposing content on social media, and these will differ based on the platform you want to use. A 5-minute tutorial video may work well on YouTube, for example, but it is probably too long for Twitter. Here are a few common ways that you can repurpose content on social media. Let's start with lists, or listicles. Listicles are articles written in a list format. Maybe you've posted a how-to guide with bullet points or a list of suggestions. You can break that list up into a series of posts. For instance, your home improvement company's post on 5 ways to update your kitchen on a budget could become 5 new standalone posts, each elaborating on the original list. Each post could provide additional information and links, which increases the original post's value for your audience. You can also transform texts into images. Posts that contain data or statistics translate well into infographics, for example. Images help readers understand complex concepts. Furthermore, visual content generates higher engagement than text. So repurposing written content as images allows you to reach more people. Another creative way to repurpose content is to take fun or amusing video clips or animations and turn them into GIFs. A GIF is an animated image. A number of tools exist that can help you create fun, eye-catching GIFs that can help you promote your content. You can also identify frequent questions on your social media platforms and answer them with an existing article. By repurposing relevant content and linking it to your responses, you build relationships and help others asking the same question find you. There are many tools available that are designed to help you repurpose content. These tools can help you do things like convert a podcast into a blog post, create articles from short YouTube videos, and take a blog post and turn it into a podcast episode. For example, WordPress, a tool that helps digital marketers create websites and blogs, offer a feature that automatically publishes blog posts simultaneously as Twitter threads with 2 extra clicks. We've discussed just a few of the many ways to repurpose your social media content here. You can research numerous other approaches to repurposing content or come up with your own. You've learned so much about how to listen and engage with your audience, and you'll soon get the opportunity to put these lessons into practice.